call it the Mini G6, the new mid-range LG Q6 looks and feels a lot like the company's flagship phone. It has a similar bezel-less, immersive display and it's got a nearly identical interface. Of course, when you are talking about a mid-range phone like this new Q6, sold at half the price of the LG G6, you know some compromises have been made. Rather than having high-performance silicon under the hood, the Q6 is powered by the entry-level Snapdragon 435 system chip and it lacks the fancy dual-camera system of the G6. It's not water-protected either. Also, it does not have a fingerprint scanner. Instead, it supports face recognition, but can it really replace the speed, convenience and accuracy of a fingerprint reader? We look at this and all other interesting details around the new LG Q6 right below. At the beginning of this review, we said that with affordable phones like the Q6 compromises have to be made, and the entry-level Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 system chip feels like one of the biggest compromises in this phone. The Snapdragon 435 is just not enough to provide a sufficiently smooth and pleasing experience. It's fine for daily tasks, but it stutters in many places. In daily life, it is apps like Facebook and the browser that are affected. Scrolling the news feed is often stuttery and switching between apps also. We imagine things will get worse, not better with time. The Q6 is also not a phone for gamers. You can play some casual games on it without an issue, but if you run more graphically intense games, you will see frames dropped and the phone heating up significantly. In fact, we noticed it felt pretty hot even in daily use, and that's something to keep in mind, as well. We played Riptide GP2 on the Q6 and it was playable, but definitely not as fluid as a dedicated gamer would like. In terms of storage, the phone ships with 32 GB of native memory, and it supports microSD cards.